Good morning. Here are today's top headlines. Bodies of five skiers were found in Swiss Alps mountain. Rescue teams recover the victims via helicopters on the 4,200 meters Rimfis Horn. An avalanche is suspected. Prisoner exchange completed, largest swap since war began. Russia and Ukraine each released 1,000 prisoners in a deal agreed in Istanbul. That hopes for a ceasefire fell short. 30,000 Australians isolated and without power by floods. Severe flooding in the New South Wales cuts off 32,000 residents, with 5 confirmed dead and hundreds of homes uninhabitable. That's your quick news fix for today. Follow Paperboy